Hi guys, so in the next tutorial of Pyvis, let's create some more custom barcode. Okay, I will change the size of node in this tutorial. So size of node for Py. Okay, and as usual, we'll import the network and we'll add main. Then we'll create an object of network. Then net dot add node and we can name it shoes. Okay, and I want label also there. Okay, as shoes and color this time let's change to green. Okay, and I want its size to be 100 and shape you can give any shape. Okay, you can give a star. Okay, and that dot add node. Okay, this time I want Nike and label to be a Nike and it must be a black in color. Okay, and shape let it be the default one. Okay, and now create an edge between them. Okay, nat dot add edge. Okay, shoes and Nike. Okay, so created an edge between them and I want it to be written to an HTML page. So this is the way how you can create an HTML page. Okay, it's a due2 dot html. Okay, let's run this. So it's there now, and you can directly go to the browser, change it like this. Okay, we can see we created an star and it's a Nike, right? So cool. Okay, this is a way you can add more customization.